Installing your ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead. The evolved ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead saves water and energy without compromising comfort. In addition to a user guide, the contents of your package includes the ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead, an attached pull cord, and plumber's tape. There are no tools needed for this installation. Hand tightening only will do the trick. Begin by unscrewing the old showerhead from the shower arm. Turn counterclockwise. Use an old toothbrush and a small towel to clean and dry the threaded area of the shower arm. Then stretch 4 to 8 wraps of the plumber's tape tightly in a clockwise direction around the shower arm's threads. Next, hand tighten the ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead clockwise onto the shower arm. The showerhead will operate effectively in any position. Do not over-tighten. If necessary, add additional plumber's tape to mount your ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead in a desired orientation. If necessary, attach the pull cord by slipping it over and onto the hook on the unit's toggle. Do so in the direction that results in the logo facing you. Turn on the water and check for any leaks. If you notice any, hand tighten the showerhead slightly or add more plumber's tape. Your evolved ShowerStart Multifunction Showerhead is ready to use. Turn on your shower so cold water begins to exit. Feel free to multitask, shave, brush your teeth, go about your get-ready routine while waiting for your hot water to arrive without hot water waste. ShowerStart technology kicks in, hot water standby reduces flow to a trickle when hot water arrives. Finish your task, return and pull the cord to begin showering. For more information on this product or other bathroom products, visit amconservation.com.